Imagine a world where data centers aren't just storage hubs, but high-speed, self-optimizing powerhouses fueled by AI. That's the vision Nokia and Supermicro are racing to build. And their latest partnership could redefine how we handle tomorrow's digital demands. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a software-centric approach truly outpace the hardware arms race in AI infrastructure? Let's dive in. Nokia and Supermicro have struck a strategic alliance to future-proof cloud networks for AI's relentless appetite for speed and scalability. By merging Supermicro's cutting-edge 800G Ethernet switches with Nokia's Service Router Linux, SR Linux, and its automation toolkit, they're creating a turnkey solution that's already battle-tested. This isn't just about faster connections. It's about building a system that learns to adapt. Nokia's event-driven automation, EDA, acts like a neural network for networks, slashing manual tasks by 40% and slashing downtime by preemptively solving issues before they escalate. For businesses, this means deploying AI-ready infrastructure in weeks, not years, while trimming operational costs by up to 30%. But how does this help the average enterprise? Let's break it down. Traditional data centers are like gas-guzzling SUVs in a world demanding electric supercars. AI workloads, especially those powered by energy-hungry GPUs, require not just speed, but scalability. A single rack today might consume as much power as a small town, and Supermicro's 800G Ethernet switches are the equivalent of installing hyper-efficient electric engines. Paired with Nokia's SR Linux, which acts as the nervous system for these networks, companies can now manage thousands of servers with the precision of a surgeon. Senli Chen, Supermicro's chief growth officer, calls it a game changer for infrastructure flexibility. But skeptics might ask, is this just a band-aid for a deeper problem in the data center industry's energy crisis? Nokia sees this collaboration as a Trojan horse into the enterprise market. By leveraging Supermicro's global sales channels, they're positioning their software as the backbone for next-gen IP networks. Vash Kampela, Nokia's IP Networks VP, boldly claims this partnership proves their software isn't just compatible with AI's demands, it's the foundation for them. Yet, Supermicro's recent stock volatility, think roller coaster, raises eyebrows. Is this partnership enough to restore investor confidence? Or is it a temporary fix for a company struggling to keep up with AI's hype cycle? And this is the part most people miss. Nokia isn't just playing with one hand tied behind its back. This isn't their first AI rodeo. They've already joined forces with AMD, Cisco, and Jio to build the Open Telecom AI platform, a $100 million bet on creating a central intelligence layer for telecom networks. Imagine your 5G tower not just sending signals, but thinking about traffic patterns, optimizing routes in real time, and even predicting outages. That's the end game. But here's the twist. Can such a platform truly be open when giants like Nokia and Cisco are driving it? Is this collaboration fostering innovation or creating a new oligopoly? The stakes are high. As AI factories become the norm, the companies that master the marriage of software and hardware will dominate. Nokia and Supermicro's gamble is simple. Turn networks into self-aware ecosystems. But will this be enough to outpace rivals like Cisco or Huawei? We'd love to hear your take. Do you think software-led solutions can truly democratize AI infrastructure? Or is this just another corporate buzzword? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a real debate.